Okay guys, for this video we can set up Next.js project for beginners. Ensure you have a Node.js on your machine. Before we start, check our terminal. If we have Node and npm, type Node version, and my current version is version 22. My npm version is version 10. First we need to do is create a folder. So example, in my website project I create a new folder. So run test, go to the terminal and go back to our documentation. We just copy this line. So npx create next app at latest and the name of your project. So for me, my next app. Enter Y and press enter. Then would you like to use TypeScript? Yes. Would you like to use ESLint? Yes. Would you like to use Tailwind CSS? Yes. Click yes and yes. TurboFac for next step? Yes. Absolutely yes for the import alias. Click enter and we are just waiting to build our Next.js project. Right, so now after 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, it's already done. So since this success created my next app. So for your next step, you can check the list. So we have the my next app. We need to enter to that file. So cd my next app. Right, for you can open to your favorite IDE. So click this my next app. So I open this dash project, new window, and now I already have the Next.js project structure. So I have source project, next config, ESLint, package.json, and tsconfig.json since we choose TypeScript. Now we go back to the terminal, and we already changed the directory. Now we can type npm run dev. So you can just copy this local network, go to the browser, and now here it is, our Next.js project. We can edit the page so we can see our changes. Sample, I change this line, I make Thirdy Gayares. Now we can see changes immediately. So Thirdy Gayares. So that's all for setup of Next.js project.